Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple Gmail account. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to search for Google account sign in, and here click on this first link, and as you can see I'm already signed into my account, so I'm just going to open this in incognito mode. Alright, click on this sign in Google account. And now what you have to do is, here on the left hand side you can see the create account option. Click over here and you can select your preference. So I'm just going to use for my personal use. So I'm just going to skip the last name over here. Now enter your birthday and enter your gender as well. So I'm just going to click next. And here this is our Gmail address, or here you can see you can use your existing Gmail as well. So over here you can just add your Gmail address and confirm that the email belongs to you, and you'll be able to create multiple Gmail address with only one Gmail address. So over here you can just pick your Gmail address, click on next. Now enter your password and click next once again. Now click on next once again. And here you can see Google is trying to verify. So what you have to do is verify your phone number and click next, and your Gmail will be created. So that is how you'll be able to create multiple Gmail address. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.